Hi, this is Mars again, and I will be sharing how I made this frame, my DIY painting frame. It's a DIY painting frame. I will paint this all white, then after that this will gonna be red and this will be black. This is a very cheap frame in a thrift store that I tried to do it. Revarnish this one, and we'll see what will happen after I transferred my painting. I have this koi painting, so I will put it here in the middle. This will be my DIY painting frame. So I am done with the DIY frame. I painted this black for the frame and red for the background. Then I will attach this one. I will attach this painting using this super glue. Then you will see that. Thank you for watching, and this is the finished product of my DIY painting frame. This cost me only 18 reals. Before it is painted white, and this one there's a painting here, and I repainted it with red to look it more elegant in my koi painting.